This is Cavorting Beastie and Lil Pacino. Drivers, are you ready? All right, let's start the fight in 3, 2, 1, go. So Cavorting Beastie, that red wedge, very, very quick across the arena, using those forks to deflect the drum of Lil Pacino backwards. So Lil Pacino up to speed. They're going to be trying to get around the sides, not bounce back like they are. You can see Lil Pacino bouncing back onto their lid, hitting the floor, coming right back. This is exactly what Cavorting Beastie wants. They want Lil Pacino to flail around this entire match so that in the eyes of the judges, Cavorting Beastie has the control. But Lil Pacino, very, very potent weapon. All they've got to do is get that to connect in the right place on Cavorting Beastie. If they can bind up that drive, they might have a better shot at this fight. 45 seconds in, Lil Pacino showing us some breakdancing moves. Not a whole lot of action with Cavorting Beastie, though. Cavorting Beastie just patiently chasing them around the arena, looking for an opportunity to maybe dump them into the pit or just let Lil Pacino do it themselves. Cavorting Beastie almost put themselves in there halfway through. Good slam into that wall. Lil Pacino still ticking. Just not able to compete with the fork game on the front of Cavorting Beastie. And there it is. Cavorting Beastie gets the job done. Great bit of driving from that four-wheel drive wedge. They're going to be one to watch in this tournament. All right, looking across the box. Here is Cavorting Beastie and then Dyson Slice. Drivers ready. Let's start the fight in 3, 2, 1, go. Weapon up to speed. Dyson Slice skating across the wedge of Cavorting Beastie as they move hither and hither across the arena. 20 seconds in. Cavorting Beastie not really controlling this match the way that they want. That wedge definitely making connection. There we go. Cavorting Beastie now putting Dyson Slice into the corner as they move down and up across the arena. 45 seconds in. Pretty even match so far. Big shot there. Dyson Slice ricocheting off that wedge, narrowly avoiding the pit, but right back at it. Quick recovery time for both these robots. Cavorting Beastie. Oh! There's the trick shot. Cavorting Beastie biding their time, deflecting Dyson Slice into the pit. Cavorting Beastie and Riker maneuver. You guys are in the arena. Chop Shop and Stress Concentrator on deck. Are our drivers ready? All right, let's start the fight in 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, quick out of the gate. Cavorting Beastie, a lot of power behind that drive system. Same with Riker maneuver. But they're trying to be a little more controlled. Line up that dustpan under the forks of Cavorting Beastie. So they're holding a little bit of a pin. Haven't seen life out of that hammer saw just yet, but I think they're waiting for a better opportunity. Maybe that's their opportunity. Winding up that weapon. Nice little hit. I saw a belt go flying. Second hit lifts him up. Now walking around at their prey, trying to bring them over to the pit, but can they successfully drop them? Trying to slam them down. They can only hold that so long before we have to pause it and do an unstick. All right, we're going to pause. Man, if only Riker maneuver would have been able to let go of their prey, but they just sank that weapon too deep. Yeah, that's lodged in there. And that is where they lay. All right, countdown's going to be important for this one. Drivers, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Cavorting Beastie escapes. Riker maneuver right back at it. Fast-paced match here. Riker maneuver. Had him go in the right direction. Not able to steer him towards that pit. Halfway through. Super technical driving match. So you can see Cavorting Beastie, if they back away, they're trying to stay on that wall as far away from the pit as possible. The hope is that they can point those forks out and get under Riker maneuver to drive him towards the pit. Right now, Riker maneuver's done it again, lodged in the top of Cavorting Beastie. They're taking turns driving each other around. Is Riker maneuver going to be able to make this one stick? 30 seconds left. Trying to lift him up. Oh, they suplex them into the pit. If they hit the bottom, they're good. All right. We've got to pause it again. Not quite able to get in. Yeah, I don't know. All right, 16 seconds left. Riker maneuver certainly showing some control in this fight, just not able to seal the deal. Let's resume in 3, 2, 1, go. 16 seconds on the clock. Cavorting Beastie, have you driven yourself in? 10 seconds left. Is Riker going to be able to get him in? Yes, they do. That's a pit. Your winner, Riker maneuver. Drivers, are you ready? Let's start the fight. In 3, 2, 1, go. Cavorting Beastie quick across the box. Bigfoot trying to use that lifter. Get underneath him. Both robots look like they're going to fare pretty well if they get flipped over. Cavorting Beastie looks perfectly symmetrical top and bottom. Bigfoot's at least got himself right. Interesting to see how this match plays out. About 30 seconds in. So far, both robots still trying to figure out how the ground game plays out. Doing a lot of darting around. Not lining up anything super successful yet. Cavorting Beastie getting those forks jammed underneath Bigfoot. Almost riding them up against the wall there. 50 seconds in. Both robots keeping a healthy distance from that pit. I think neither one is confident enough in their control over the opponent to successfully direct an attack. Yeah, right there. Cavorting Beastie maybe had Bigfoot for a little bit, then Bigfoot turned it right back around. The drive power advantage might go to Cavorting Beastie, but they're so dead even. "20 seconds left in the fight. Bigfoot underneath Cavorting Beastie. Not able to make a whole lot stick, though. We've seen that lifter only fire a few times. As time winds down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a fight. All right, looking across the box. I think we are just about ready to go. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, stress concentrator across the box. Cavorting Beastie's got some interesting forks on the front of that robot. We're going to see how those fare against stress concentrator. Stress concentrator does very, very well in the reach category. Uh-oh, propping up their opponent. How are those forks working for them now? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick work. Knockout from stress concentrator. So frustrating.